Alright guys, welcome back to the C&B Experience. What we have here today is the North American Arms 22 Magnum ported. It has 3 ports on either side of the barrel. Now, as for sights, it just has a little bead sight right at the top, and then back here, your rear sight is just this little groove. That's it. Now, to load and unload this thing, you put it in half cock, and then you press this little button right in the front, pull your pin out, and see, that'll just fall right out. It comes out away from you. You can't put it back in this way. You have to put it back in the same way it came out. So, holds 5 rounds of 22 Magnum. It also comes with 22 long rifle cylinder. So load up your 5 rounds of 22 Magnum. Press this in from the back. Put your pin back in. It's got a little detent in there. And now these little grooves in between the cylinders, that's where you're going to want to practice this, but then you can get that to fall right down in between those cylinders, and nothing can set this off. And then when it's single action only, you can pull a trigger, it does nothing. When you're ready to fire, you have to cock the hammer, click, bang. Don't dry fire these guns though. But you have to practice that and get that to sit in between these cylinders. But as far as the quality and everything, man, these guns are awesome. Made in Provo, Utah. I mean, they're small, they're very small, but it's pretty neat. Kind of a little novelty gun or backup gun. You can put this in your little 5th pocket on your jeans or an ankle holster. Good little get off of me gun, or a belly gun, however you want to call it. So we'll take this out to the range and we'll shoot a little 22 Magnum and a little 22 out of it. See how it does. Alright guys, we're back to range, and hopefully you can see that. I don't know if you can or not. Wow. But you can see where the hammer's down, but it's in between the cylinders. That is the way to carry this. And today I have Spear Gold Dot short barrel 22 Magnums. 22 Mag 40 grain. So we got a target set up at about 4 yards. I don't even know if I can hit anything honestly with this, but we'll see. Because it hardly has any sights. Yep, I hit low. There we go. Like I said, unloading, half cock. Push this in, cylinder falls out like that. There you go. There's your 5 shots. Take your pin that you pulled out and push your rounds out. Now these are nickel plated, so they fall out pretty good. Put the cylinder back in the way it came out. Put your pin in. Make sure it's in the detent. There we go. It's locked in there. There, now it's locked in. Half cock. Pull your trigger. Get that to line in those grooves. See, now it's safe to carry. Definitely, if you get one of these, practice that over and over again. Maybe, you know, put some empty shells in it. Practice it over and over again. You could dry fire it that way with empty shells in, It'll protect your hammer. And guys, like I was saying, you know, if you wear a long shirt or a jacket, they will fit right there in your fifth pocket or ankle holster or whatever. It's a backup gun, belly gun. But hey, I appreciate you watching the C&B experience again. We'll see you next time.